Hello everyone, this is the demo for a speech recognition toolkit. So let me download it first. So this is a Chrome extension by using which you can type with your voice. So first of all you need to allow the permission for microphone and this is done. Now you can close this page and then you can open any page like that. Okay. First of all you can type anywhere like this. Hello world. Hello world. Like this. Um, you can you can use certain commands like let me show you some. These are the commands. By using that you can say search commands and you can perform some tasks. Suppose if you want to go to YouTube and then you can say this command, go to youtube.com, like this. And suppose you want to play something, so you can use a play command like this. So you would say play despacito. So it will play the song from YouTube like this. Like this. There are many more commands you can use. So if you have ever used the iOS voice control command, you can see like here this is the show command. You can say show grid, then it will show the grids with the numbers on, and then you can click on any number by using the click command. Okay, here are some emoji command. You can say you can type any emoji from list of 1800 emojis. So you would say like emoji flower, emoji human, emoji female, uh, you know. Also you can change the language. um, you can use Hindi, like this. Then you can and then you can see the commands. So now we have the Hindi commands. Okay guys, thanks for watching.